Hello YouTube. I want to talk about magazine capacity. Does a larger magazine make any sense? In this case, this one will hold 12 rounds, and when you have spent it, how long does it take to change it? Something second or so, and when you have a large one getting bulky, quite unhandy. So does a larger one makes any sense? I think it's also a question of reliability. What is, when you store it with fully loaded magazine, when you store it and with the full amount of rounds it will take, when you store it, the spring gets weak, and so I think it's better to have a larger magazine and do not use the full capacity when you want to store it, when you want to keep it. Nobody is ever, when has loaded a magazine, is unloading it when you don't want to use it. When you leave it with full, the spring gets weak and you have maybe a problem. On the other hand, when you have one of this precision target shooting 22, this standard magazine holds only the 5 rounds you need. Every group of shoots have to be 5 rounds, and this holds only 5 rounds, so the spring is quite tensioned when it is fully loaded with all the 5 rounds it can keep. There it maybe makes sense to have a larger one and getting the spring is only half tensioned when you have loaded your 5 rounds, and you will never have a problem for feeding. I never had it. This is a converted one from a Walter P22 for this Walter GSP22, and I never had a problem. It never fails. So I think the question of large magazine capacity is only a question of reliability. Thanks for watching.